Hey everybody, welcome back to Just Basically Beautiful. If you were with me last time, you know that we learned about skin and the type of skin you have. Now that we're here again, we're going to take that a step further. We're going to learn about how to cleanse your skin and how to care for that wonderful skin that you know you have. So if you want to learn more about that, then stick around. Basic cleansing is just that. It's very simple. The main steps that you have to have for a daily routine, morning and night, is facial cleansing, toner, and moisturizer. Why should I add facial toner to my skincare routine? One great reason is because no matter how good you think you scrubbed your face, there's always something left. I don't know how many times I've washed my face and I've scrubbed and I've got soap everywhere, or at least I thought I did. But when I went to do my toner and I went to wipe, I still had something on my face. So toner is great just for getting that extra double check to make sure that your skin is clean. The other benefits of toner is that it closes your pores. Toner will close your pores and shrink your pores back up, which further protects your skin from any additional impurities getting in it. It also refreshes your skin. Your skin just feels like a breath of fresh air when you put a little toner on it. And lastly, it restores the pH balance. When you wash your face, the soaps and the different types of cleansers that you use can throw that pH balance off, but toner brings it right back to life. Morning routines don't change very much from day to day. Every morning you're going to cleanse your face, tone your face, and moisturize it. A lot of the times people will add an SPF or a sunscreen to their morning routine. However, a lot of moisturizers already provide that benefit, so it's not an extra step that you have to add. Evening routines, however, definitely have room to be customized to best fit your skin type. Adding eye cream to your night routine can benefit you greatly, especially when it comes to anti-aging. One thing that we need to be careful about with our eyes is that the skin around our eyes is much more delicate and sensitive. So the same moisturizer that you're using on your face may be a little too harsh for your eye area and could cause inflammation. Another thing you can add to your daily routine in the evening is a facial serum. One important thing you want to do when adding a facial serum is, one, select a serum that is going to target the needs of your skin. Secondly, you want to make sure that you add it to your skin routine after cleansing and after toning, but always before moisturizing. When you put a serum on your skin, you want it to be bare and clean, but you want it to be able to penetrate the skin and target the concerns that you have. So you want to add your moisturizer last. Another thing you can add to your night routine is facial oil. If you want to add facial oil to your routine, all you have to do is, one, select a good facial oil. Two, add a few drops to your moisturizer. And three, add it to your face and have a great night's sleep. In the morning, you will wake up with moisturized skin, feeling great, and looking beautiful. All right, so the weekend is here and you've been caring for your skin all week long. These are some things that you can do on a weekly basis to take care of your skin and give yourself a little spa time, a little spa day, a little zen time. So light a candle and turn on some music and just relax. When you put that face peel on or when you put a mask on, you always have to leave it on for a certain amount of time anyway, so why not listen to some good music, lay in front of the fireplace, and just let it all soak in. Another thing that's great for your skin on a weekly basis is exfoliating. And to be completely honest, that doesn't even have to wait for the weekend. You can easily exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week with no problem. If you have really sensitive skin, then you might want to bring that down to 1 or 2 times. But exfoliating, face masks, and face peels are great great addition to your weekly skincare routine. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you were able to get the information that you needed about taking care of your skin. And I hope that you take the time out to subscribe to this page so that you never miss another video. Have an awesome week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.